All right, I am already having a Monday of Mondays, but I'm going to have my breakfast with my coffee. I'm going to do the plan of my week and get a couple phone calls in. So bear with me. I love doing little doodles on my planner. I do it on every day layout too. I'm not great at them. I'm not terrible either. And I like to do just to make it look a little bit more festive. So I got off the phone with an insurance company, and I'm not going to complain about them because of two things. The people who are in charge of answering the phones are not the people that I have a problem with. And the people that I have a problem with will never answer the phone. That's just the way it is. So I just feel like it's important to remember and remind not only myself, but anyone that might need a reminder this time of year, is that the people on the phone that you call, those customer service agents, have no control on how the company is run. I remember working as a customer service agent for a really big furniture company, and let me tell you, the amount of people who got mad at me for how that app worked. I have no control how the app works, or how UPS delivered their package. Like, you're yelling at me, and I'm gonna try to help you, and just keep that in mind. They might not immediately have the answers, but they're trying. I was on the phone for about 15 minutes, and about 10 of those minutes I was on hold while he was helping me behind the scenes. Staying patient and remembering that they're there to help you is like key. And then another thing to remember is, no matter how mad you are, no matter how much you yell at them, they can't change how the company is run, nor are they going to help you less or help you more, depending on your attitude. So you're just making your day worse by having a bad attitude. So stay calm, do the best you can, communicate for sure, but don't get mad. It serves nothing in your life to be mad. That being said, I'm going to quickly do some editing, and then I'm gonna run to the gym before I have to get ready to go back to work. Today has been a Monday of all Mondays. Forgot my water bottle at the gym. I am very, very thirsty. So I'm going to make myself a smoothie with those bananas that I put in the freezer yesterday. Goodness. I always feel so much better after the gym. It doesn't even matter how long I go there. Like, I feel like I glow, I have more energy, I want to walk around, I drink more water when I go to the gym. So I do recommend, if you're feeling sluggish, even if like you do like a 10-minute walk on the treadmill or like a cycling routine. You can even find those Peloton-like cycling routines that you can just watch while you're at the gym. You don't have to pay for it. So I recommend just getting out and doing it. Your body will love you. You'll release a lot of endorphins. You'll also use up any adrenaline that you still have in your system, which I learned, you know, in the morning times, if you're not eating things, you're running on adrenaline that's in your system. So you want to use that up, which is why it's good to exercise in the mornings if you can. Get up that adrenaline out of your system. dinner time. I'm officially making the mushroom and chestnut soup that I've been talking about. It's a French soup apparently that they eat a lot, and I'm excited to try it out. So, well, let's do it. Along with the soup. I think this smells like an absolute dream. But if you're looking at this and you're thinking, wow, that does not look like something I would eat, to be honest, it doesn't look great to me either, which is why we're gonna blitz it. We're gonna turn it into baby food kind of soup. That's how I like to eat it. So, and that's what the recipe recommended. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna get that ready. Ugh, excuse my appearance. I forgot to take my ginger tonic this morning, so let's do that really quick. It's a little watery. Oh well, it'll do the good that it needs to do. Decided to go for penne pasta, probably with some pesto, if I can find it. I don't know where it is. All right, finished product. Got our chestnut and mushroom soup, pesto pasta with Gruyere cheese shredded on top, and then my beet and pecan salad that I love to make this time of year has my homemade lingonberry balsamic vinegar dressing. Bon appetit. It is now 8:16. 8:16 in the PM, and I just now finished work because my supervisor called me while I was desk sitting where I didn't have access to the system I needed to send some documents over. And so I still had to finish my time at the desk, come home and get those documents. And I made dinner because I was hungry. So I am now officially off the clock for the rest of the day, and I am exhausted. And I still need to clean my kitchen because my goal for this week is to make my bed every day and to not go to sleep with my house a mess. I hate myself right now. Why did I set this goal? I just want to go to sleep. But we're going to stay true to it because I know that right now, the way I have my schedule, I don't have a day off to just relax, and I would really like to have one day this weekend be that way. So I need to maintain my house during the week. So let's get up and let's do it. Kitchen is now clean-ish. I'm gonna make myself some peppermint bark tea. It smells like actual Christmas morning, and it has red and white sprinkles on it. Delicious. Bye.